Hi everybody, this is Mike. Thanks for watching. The other day I was flying and filming the forest that had been freshly snowed and pretty much having a good flight until this happened. Yep, that's right. I lost my quad in the forest. But I got lucky that day. I found it about an hour later. So today I'm going to share with you how I found my lost quad and 3 tricks that allowed me to locate it. First of all, I got pretty lucky in one respect that I crashed close to a road, not too far into the woods. I got lucky in that the quad was still powered on and I could see the video signal from the transmitter, and also the controller's Crossfire was still working as well. And the third thing is we also saw the general area that the quad went down in. So then we started looking for the quad, and I employed 3 tricks that helped to locate it. Trick number 1, the RDF method. What I did is I used the directional antenna as sort of a radio direction finder. I had both an Omni and a directional on my rapid fire module on my goggles. Since the rapid fire blends together an image from both antennas, I had to disable the Omni antenna so that I was only receiving signal from the directional antenna. Once I did that, I would sweep and search the area, turning my head back and forth side to side, looking towards a strong video signal. I could see the video signal in my goggles come in and cut out, and this gave me an idea which direction the quad was. So what we did was employ a search, and occasionally kept rechecking the video signal, gradually homing in to the area where the quad was in the bush. The second trick that I employed was adjusting the video transmitter power. The week before, I had set up a dial on my controller that would adjust the video transmitter power. I was able to dial the power down from 600 to 200 and even 25 milliwatts, which made it more sensitive, my head sweeping with the patch antenna. This really allowed me to home in with more finesse which direction the quad was in the bushes. After we got closer to the quad, trick number 3 was employed, where I activated the beeper mode. Previously, I also configured on my controller a spring-loaded toggle switch to activate Betaflight's beeper mode. I didn't have a dedicated beeper on the quad, but this allows the ESCs to make a noise when you pull the switch. Flipping the switch when within earshot allowed me to hear the quad buried in the bushes. Anyways, those 3 tricks saved the day and helped me locate this quad, plus a lot of luck.
Well, at least we got the quad back in one piece.
Well, I hope you learned something. I know I did. I got very lucky this day. Anyways, here's a look at the video that we shot just prior to the crash. Thanks for watching.